Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video we will of course continue, but before that I have given some restriction here, read only, because I don't want user put something here, and I have leave this field only discount, because if he want, he can place discount value as well as paid amount, how much customer is giving him, and customer name is, and rest of the field with restricted with read only option. And the issue in the last video is whenever user press order, the record is inserted in two different tables, right? But when he press again, the same record will be again inserted without any different unique ID or anything. So we should restrict it. This should not happen. This is a bug. We can fix this. And by mistake, I have deleted my products from the product table. So we don't have so much product. I have inserted few products. And okay, so we can continue our work, but before that we have invoice. I cleared my tables also. Invoice details, we have only 4 products here, and in this video we will work on this stock. Once user place the order, we will decrease the amount, sorry, stock. Okay, so we have given read only here, as you can place like this or in all the inputs, and I want all of you write some PHP code for validation of the input field in order invoice. Until all the fields are filled, then only you will allow, otherwise you will not allow for the insertion of the record. So I want you write for the code for this customer name and discount as well as for paid. When these fields are filled, then only you will allow, otherwise you will not allow. And till then we have seen codes like this for validation in registration as well as in login, so you can do this and you can take from them there also. Okay, so let's begin. Here is our order.js page, and once the user click on this order button, I will send the request to the process page, and process will further send the request to the I will send the request to process page, and it will create the object for the managed class and do the operation. But before that, what I want the user to store the form information, right? Then we will create the PDF of the invoice, right? So I will create a variable invoice equals to dollar hash and get order data. This is the form ID, don't forget, and use serialize function of jQuery. Sorry, it's a JavaScript. And then we will have invoice for the list, and then we can input the form if you want. We can use the functions like we can use JavaScript jQuery functions, dollar hash get order data dot trigger, and trigger form reset. So it will reset our form after insertion of the record. So let's see this. Choose product, something else. Yeah, add one more. Alright, customer name, this one, and discount is okay. Give a discount of 500. Paid amount will be 147,000. Order, and you can say order completed. Press OK. It is not working. I saved it. Make sure my cache memory is the problem clearly. Console sources. Yeah, that's order.js, and of course it is cache memory. So let me refresh it. It's happened with you in your browser? Tell me in the comment section. Otherwise I have to change my browser. Instead of Chrome, I will use Firefox. Okay, fine. Now again I have to log in. Okay, new order, and sorry, it's this time different customer. Three 400. Order completed, and you can see our form is cleared once the order is inserted, right? But if you will press this button once again, it will insert the empty record. So that's why I want you to write some PHP code or as well as jQuery code to prevent this condition. After all, you learn a lot. Okay, so let's in your manage.php, and here is our for statement, for loop, and we have by luck I have total quantity as well as current quantity available. So I'm just using this within the for loop. And one thing about the other databases, we have constraint as well as we have constraint in mysql, but that constraint not work in mysql. If you want, you can disallow any columns in your table and to store the negative value or any value less than 0. I tried in mysql, but the problem is it execute our SQL query, but its effect is not there. No effect at all. After giving constraint, you can insert negative record, so it doesn't affect anymore. That's why I'm writing in a hard code dollar and remaining quantity equals to dollar q. Okay, it's array total quantity dollar I subtract dollar here quantity dollar I. So we have remaining quantity. So once for example the total quantity is 100 and user has taken 3 items, so after subtraction there will be 97 item remaining. Okay, I'm going to write some comment that will help you to in future. Here we are finding the remaining quantity after giving customer 1. So we have remaining quantity, and it is as I give an example, so it should be 97. If remaining quantity, so it's remaining quantity less than 0, then we cannot sold that item. Here we will return order fail to complete. Order fail to complete, else it is not 0, means we have products available in our database, we can sold it, so we can further sold it, so I have to update the quantity. Dollar I'm just using the simple query, we are not using prepared statement because here we don't require, and this connection arrow query right here, update name of the table, update table, spelling sorry, table, right, date table, and it is product set. I think something wrong. Skill update update products. Yeah, there is no keyword like table. Update products, set product stock equals to $rem quantity. This is our remaining quantity, where what unique thing we have name of the, okay, we have not unique, we have we can figure it out. How we can figure it out? We have product ID, product name. Yeah, we have product ID as well as we have product name. So product ID is primary key. We can use this product ID, but here we have product name, and this is also unique. It cannot repeat. So I'm using this product name because we have product name. Here you can see in the array we have product name, here product name, right? Where product name equals to dot $AR product name and $I. That's fine. The query will execute and the record is updated. Update product stock. Or if there is a problem, let's place of die dollar this arrow connection arrow error. Fine. Hope it will work. Now let's see. But before that, I'm going to clear my truncate table, and name of the table is invoice details. Okay, it is cleared. Where is table? My invoice cleared this one. Yes, that's fine. Now let's see. Okay, before that we have to see the quantity. Manage. Now for Samsung Galaxy S8 we have 1000 stock, right? Now let's see this. New order, customer name, Samsung Galaxy S8. Let's take one more and online. Quantity 5. Here is also 5. Now the total quantity, you can see here also the total quantity 1000 and 5000 should be deducted from their discount. Give it a discount of 1000. Paid amount is 445000. Now place order. You have an error in your SQL syntax, and what it says, write syntax to use near Galaxy S8 at line 1. What does it mean? So I'm sure it is about my query. Update products, set product stock, whatever product name. I think this not work with query. Okay, wait. What about the new columns? Product stock, product name. I think because of this we have problem. Save it. Fine. Save this and refresh. Sorry. Store new. There is another problem, -20. So it depends upon as a administrator also what he is writing, but we should also write code for that. You can write code like if less than 0, then you can give a warning. Okay, what's the total 70300? Order completed. That's the reason. Okay, fine, it is completed, and let's see our invoice. Okay, we have 25 we have inserted, and this is the order date is not inserted again, and due is 0. Now let's see invoice details. We have Samsung Galaxy, price quantity 1, so we have taken 1. Product should be 999. Okay, it's also not decreased. Really, what's happening? Can you go here? Return. You have to check it, it's working or not. Five. Discount. So it's working 995, correct? Now let's see this SQL statement is right or not. Or SQL. Here product name, so I write product name, so it will loop it. Return. I will take only one item. SQL. Okay, now let's test this code. Sorry, I'm taking time too much. Order. In the SQL queries update product set product stock equals to 995. For product name equals to stamping access. That's fine. Why it is not working? Okay, it should work. So query is fine. Maybe the reason is this is not under the string. Okay, let's try this. Okay, save this. This is our final test. Refresh. 55400 and order completed. Yes, 995. The stock we have decreased amount. Finally, it is good. So I told you just work for these inputs, and I have already taken so much time because of errors. And in the next video we will work on PDF, right? So thanks for watching, and if you like it, so like it and subscribe my YouTube channel. I know all of you watching this video are already subscribed, but I'm telling for those who are new to this here. Okay, bye bye.